Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you are well. I'm your host Lala. Today our topic is Best Employee Survey and Engagement Software. Review of Assembly and Awardco software. Assembly software provides companies a virtual community in which they can offer perks and social recognition to enhance and improve their company culture. Your employees will be gladly hopping onto this platform to see whose attention their work has caught. There is three features we love from Assembly. Now the first is calendar. Public anniversary, birthday and holiday notification make every day a celebration. Now the second is reward system. Employees can earn a wide variety of rewards such as expense covered classes, lunch with the CEO, gift cards or branded swag to get them extra excited about coming to work. Now the third is core values sidebar. The sidebar lets employees know what the most in demand skills are within the company so they can game plan accordingly. Price: you can start off on a free trial, no credit card required by scheduling a demo. For premium features, the pricing is based on cost per employee, which is about the price of a bottle of water for each employee, 0 to $3 per user each month. Awardco software is the reward program for the modern business. Rather than stopping at gift cards or company swag, their versatile engagement platform offers a library of gift options that range from tickets to events, hotel stay, charitable donation option, and access to the millions of products available on Amazon. The folks at Awardco understand that choice is one of the best part of recognition, so letting your employees choose the right gift can make all the differences. Three features we love about Awardco. First is automated incentives. You can free up your day by letting Awardco manage a robust incentive program where employees can feel encouraged to hit goals, complete tasks, and participate in company initiatives. Company initiatives, you can build programs and challenges to support your HR and culture leaders at your organization, whether it is a wellness program, volunteer event, or a monthly team goal. You can build these programs directly into a workflow to make sure everyone is being recognized. Now, the third feature is company value tie in. When choosing what you want to recognize your peers for, you can highlight a specific reason, action they took, or company value they embody to let them know directly. Awardco adapt to your company so that no two Awardco platforms are exactly alike. Price: for accurate pricing, explore Awardco for more information. Hope you like our video. Stay connected with our channel for more information. Thanks for watching.